Hi, welcome back to Builderall Design Lab. I'm Sarah, and today we're finalizing the Homestead Living app page and preparing it for publishing. Let's dive right in. To finalize our page, I head into my footer where I repeat my menu and add a standalone icon. At this point, the user knows the brand, and using the icon mark without the word mark creates a sense of brand knowledge in the user's mind. I add in my copyright and my design is done. Next, I move into my scroll animations. The motion system here is subtle and deliberate. Nothing in this page should feel too energetic. In the hero section, my text elements fade in down with the ember vertical bar, kind of like a ribbon falling down over my visual. The brand panel and the lifestyle visual arrive at slightly different speeds, creating a soft parallax and adds depth without actual movement. In the about section, my 6 feature cards appear softly as the user scrolls, each one stepping in from below, guiding the eye through the system. In the inside homestead section, the phone mockups enter from their respective sides as the copy fades in from the center. This effect is quiet and directional, like turning a page rather than loading a component. In the community section, my testimonial cards move in slowly as well. This entry creates a sense of voices arriving rather than a rigid block of text. Across the entire page, my animations are controlled. No parallax backgrounds or scroll-triggered color changes or dramatic entrances. The goal is sustained calm. The page should feel like the interface. What I find most satisfying about this page as a whole is how consistently the design earns its own restraint. Every decision to hold back, to use one accent color instead of 3, to keep the testimonial cards flat, to let the hero breathe rather than fill it, is all justified by something the product actually believes. Homestead Living isn't quiet because quiet is trending. It's quiet because the people it's built for are exhausted by noise. The design knows that and it behaves accordingly. That coherence between product philosophy and visual language is what separates a brand from a style. A style is a set of aesthetic choices, while a brand is a point of view expressed consistently enough that the user starts to trust it before they've even read the copy. By the time someone reaches my download button at the bottom of the page, they haven't just learned what Homestead Living does, they've felt what it would be like and to live inside a home that it manages. That feeling is my product. Finally, I create anchor links across all my sections and connect them to the navigation. Once I'm happy with my result, I publish my page. I've also prepared this page for you as a downloadable Builderall template, so let me know what you think of the design, and I'll see you in the next Design Lab episode for a new design.